Today we're going to look at the new Google Analytics, which uses Sitekit. And you have to use Sitekit now. So it's over here on the left. You see the letter G and Sitekit. I don't know why they call it Sitekit, but they do. And we're looking at the website for advertising excellence. And we can see we had 171 users. That's people who looked at the website. Over here, they have a graph that shows how people found our website. So 12% were from social media, such as YouTube, Facebook, or whatever. Referral. Sometimes referral, according to Google, means they aren't really sure how they got there. So that could be Yahoo or Bing. And then organic search. Someone typed in something, didn't know our company name, but typed in something, and they ended up finding our website. And then 28% was direct. That means they knew our website address, they typed it in the address bar, and got to our website. Now over here, it says in the last 28 days, we had 41,000 impressions. That means we showed up in 41,000 search results. Maybe people didn't click on us. We only got 189 clicks. Maybe for a lot of those searches, we were pretty far down the list. But for 189 of them, people found us and went to our website. And it says there were 92 unique visitors. That means in the past 28 days, 92 of these people came to our website for the first time. So there were 189 clicks, but some of these people came back. And then you can see a graph here showing clicks and impressions. Or, sorry, it's only impressions, but the other one is previous period and this is current. And then it shows what people actually searched for. Top search queries. This is what they searched for that brought them to our website. So we got 8 clicks for that, but showed up in 68 impressions. So people are searching for different things like art gallery sign. And we have an example of that. And they found us. We showed up. But it doesn't show everything. So if we click this, then we get to Google Analytics. And here we can see a lot of things. So we can see the number of page views, unique page views, which is they only viewed it once. Average time on the page. This is a long time. Anything over a minute is really a long time. Even more than 30 seconds is a long time. And bounce rate is where they left the page quickly. So someone came to, this is the home page where it just shows a / home page. 64% of the people got to the home page and said, nope, this isn't what I was looking for, and they left. But we can see all the different things that we show up for in the search results. So it's flooring magazine ad design. So when we look at Sitekit, we only see the first 10. But if we click here, Search Console, and go to Google Analytics, we see a lot more. Drone video production, print design. We got clicks for all of these things where people search. And then here, where you see all this code, that FB, that's a referral from Facebook. FB, again, referral from Facebook. So these are where they saw us on social media and came to us. Some of them could be Twitter or other places, but they found us. So we got a lot of clicks for all of these: business marketing, direct mail, and it goes down to there's dental advertising. All of these things got clicked and viewed. Now, we'll go to this website and we see people top content for 28 days. So people went to there's the / and that's the home page. 7 page views, and they were unique page views. That's in the last 28 days, these people came to that website for the first time. Bounce rate, 85, almost 86%. So that means almost 86% of the people got to the website and said, no, that isn't what I want. Or maybe they just went to the website because they needed the phone number. So they got the phone number and left. And then applicants, there's a page called applicants, got 1 visitor for that. And then how people find the site, Nothing is here, and I believe this is because it's all very new. So if we go back to mine, we see what shows up in there, the top content. So these are the pages that people viewed, which we see if we click here and go to analytics. And then it shows you things like how long does it take to load the page, and it says it was 6 seconds. That's terrible. We should fix that. Total blocking time. This is how long people had to wait after the page loaded before they could click something. 3.3 seconds. Also very long. But Google doesn't always get this right. We use a website GTmetrix, and GTmetrix gives us an A grade, which means it's hard to do better than we're doing. But Google is the boss here, and if they say our site loads slowly, we should try changing things to make it load faster. And oh, there we go. So this is the desktop view, which loads really fast, but on a phone, not so good. So we've got to do some work on our mobile views of our website. So that's how you can use the new Google Site Kit to see information. Now for me, because it only shows the first 10, it's important to go over to here where I can see 68, 69, 70. I've got a lot of clicks to the website from different searches people have done. But if there's no views, or people are only finding the website if and only if they search for the company by name, then we don't need to go to Google Analytics, because all we're going to see is 0 clicks for everything else.